Let's rock, y'all. Going to make a quick wakame salad. Show you what we got. We got pepper, white onion, plum tomato, grape tomatoes, and wakame. So first thing we got to do is going to heat up our water. You can use cold water, but I like to use hot water. And we're going to cut up the vegetables, and we will be right back. Oh, this is RAWk, y'all. We back. I'll show you. I don't know how much onion I use, but cut the onion, and that's how much onion we got. Cut the pepper, and that's how much pepper we got. That is 1 plum tomato and about 7. Found a little piece of cilantro. We're gonna put some avocado, and got our wakame. Need to put our hot water in. So just enough to barely cover, so we don't have a bunch of sauce. And then as soon as this is absorbed, we're going to add our vegetables and our avocado. Then we're going to put in some black pepper, some nutritional yeast, and probably some red pepper, and some yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. So we'll be right back.